Introducing the next generation in high-performance CVD coatings, CA025P. Kyocera's leading-edge coating technology dramatically increases tool life in steel machining applications. Twice the thickness of a conventional CVD coating, grade CA025P maintains great thermal resistance. When testing against competitor products, Kyocera was more resistant to insert wear. CA025P maintains stable machining for over 50 minutes. The optimized composition of the cemented carbide base material is resistant to high temperatures. This helps prevent fracturing of the insert. The unique post-coating process prevents adhesion and delivers excellent chipping resistance. Choose from 4 different chip breaker styles to accommodate a wide range of steel machining applications, from roughing to finishing. A user test evaluation showed 60% longer tool life than the competitor. It's time to switch to the next generation of CVD coated carbides. Use CA025P for your next steel machining application.